sabihin na natin, may friend siya, pero hindi genuine. Okay. But, dun kasi, which is na partake naman na natin yung intent talaga. And nabanggit niya, di ba, na pagka pumasok na daw yung emotions, physicality, sexuality, dun na nasisira yung friendship. But then again, kung genuine friendship kasi, mabubuo ang isang genuine friendship with boundaries as you mentioned, but also the intent of just doing friendship. Pero hindi, well, sabihin na natin, friendships kasi usually minsan, sabihin na natin, minsan is nagsa-spiral down into a relationship. Lalo na kung merong shared additional experiences. Usually, love minsan nagpa-pop up, lalo na pag shared traumatic experience sa isang babae at lalaki, tas si lalaki, si boy or si man is prinotektahan si girl, doon nafo-fall ganyan. Even though genuine relationship na friends lang sila before. Pero for example, kung gusto lang talaga ng genuine relationship, tanggalin mo lahat ng factors na makaka-affect sa isang genuine relationship. Yes, men and women can be just as genuine. Pero as boundaries are set, di ba? Friends don't do sex. Kasi doon na papasok yung friends with benefits. Pero pagpasok ng friends with benefits, doon na papasok yung feelings. Kasi